of all, welcome to our gala tonight.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
We are here to celebrate excellence in the insurance market for 2010. So what can you tell us about the development of the insurance market at the European level in 2010?
Well, 2010 has still been a quite tough year, but insurers performed quite well, we have to say. We just heard some days ago that the results of the quantitative impact study from EIOPA, the new supervisory authority, have been published, and obviously the European insurers performed quite well, although in a very difficult environment. So we are quite proud on that results. And for the future, well, this is also a mandate to improve maybe the work also in the regulatory environment to find the best solution for European insurers.
Was there a special strategy in 2010 for such results?
Well, as regards the Austrian insurance market, Austrian insurers concentrated on classical products, stable, conservative products, and it was quite a stable and very good development all in all. So stick to your business. This would be the main line, I think. So no experiments, but stick to the traditional lines of insurance.
I understand that the Austrians are, I don't know, do they look for new products in the insurance market? Do they buy new products now that the crisis has set something for their budget?
I would rather say the contrary. So especially during the crisis when the environment changes, you maybe go back to the roots and buy more classical products. Yeah. So when we look at the developments overall, this is more or less the general trend we observe.
Well, already in March, so we can talk about 2011 and the perspectives for the insurance market for this year. What can you tell us about that?
Well, from a regulatory view, we will have huge challenges lying ahead of us. Maybe most prominent, the Insurance Mediation Directive that will be reviewed. And as we all know, mediation is at the bottom of our business, so a crucial issue. And we will expect at the end of this year the new Insurance Mediation Directive called the IMD2. And we are already very interested to see what new regulations this IMD2 will bring. We heard some rumors which issues could be addressed in that new directive. We will see. Yeah.
What do you think would be the changes or the impact on the companies from the market?
Well, the impact will be seen in 2014 or 15 when the IMD2 will be transposed finally. So we still have some time to go. But it's now that we decide on the major changes, on the major rules. It's now that we discuss this throughout the next months, and we will discuss this intensely in Brussels. Regarding the contents, I think maybe the most prominent issue will be remuneration, how remuneration could look like in the future. We have a couple of member states in the north of Europe, Scandinavia, United Kingdom, Ireland, also the Netherlands. They are going for new ways called the customer agreed remuneration, so a fee-based intermediation basically. And then we have more or less the continental approach with a commission-based system. And I can say it quite frankly that we fully support the commission-based system to continue also in the future. So we will see if there will be one or the other regulation in that area. So remuneration will be certainly something. Some other areas should direct sales, so direct sales by insurance undertakings themselves, be also included in the IMD2. We will see. That is under discussion. There is the general issue of a level playing field. Should the employees of an insurance undertaking also be under an IMD regime? So for the moment it's still open for discussion, and it will be by the end of 2011 that we will see the final result.